the basic tool, the basic application development, the Android app development and building and creating APKs, everything can be done with this Android Studio. Wi-Fi driver, audio, I can increase something like that, I can off it, power management. Okay, let's instead of talking lots and lots of sir, yum should be caps. No, it's not mandatory. You can have any name that is a custom defined name. Hi, so welcome to WikiTechie, and today I'm going to talk about Android. Android is one of the most powerful technology. I'm going to talk about the entire things of Android. Are you ready? So here is the my previous videos which you can see it in my channel WikiTechie. So just go to my channel, you can see all my videos, you can enjoy my session. So welcome to today's video. I'm going to talk about the mobile app development and the hybrid mobile app development, and particularly on Android. Let's move on.
Where pa sara mo na yan?
So we'll talk about the history of Android first. So Android history. So Android in the sense it starts in 2003 by great people, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, Chris White and Andy Rubin. So these people they founded Android Inc. Corporation, but the problem is they couldn't manage. So they sell Google buys this company in 2005, and they defined Linux as the base operating system for Android. And Google promises in 2007 that they are going to introduce Android phone, and they launched it in 2008. The first Android phone comes. It's the history of Android. So the main tools used in Android development are the first one is Android Studio. The basic tool, the basic application development, the Android app development and building and creating APKs, everything can be done with this Android Studio, which you are going to see it now. And apart from that, you got the another tool that's called Gradle. So I want a huge application like an Amazon or Flipkart. In the case I need a very big system to build my Android application. For that, Gradle is one tool they use. Sir, I want a superb design. Can I make it out? Yes, you can use it material design to make lots of graphics related stuffs in the mobile application. So the combination, we are going to use it in creating an application now. Are you ready? Okay, so now I'll talk about the mobile app development. So if you talk about mobile app development, I got your mobile, sir. The mobile can be an Android or it can be an iOS. And where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bed. So if it is an Android, how the development is happening? Hey, I got an application to create. So I want a mobile app to be created. So I'll be using my Android Studio to create an application, and afterwards, yes, my application is ready. I can deploy in the mobile and check it. Hey, I can't use my mobile, man. I need to change, do it, put it, change, deploy it, change, deploy it. So the mobile will go off. So in that case, I got an emulator, a kind of an environment which will work like a mobile. Okay, so if it works in the emulator, it will work in the mobile. Simple. A temporary virtual mobile environment is called emulator. So for that, to develop your Android application, I need an Android SDK. So you got your Android SDK, use this Android SDK software development kit to in the Android Studio to create an application to deploy an Android emulator or Android mobile devices. Whereas I got my iPhone, sir. How is the development in iPhone? So there are lots and lots of tools available. The one tool is Xcode IDE. So using Xcode IDE with the iOS SDK software development kit, I can create an iOS app, which I can deploy in iOS emulator, or it can be an iPhone. Okay, that's how your iOS application development work. But I'm really confused. Hey, I want to create an application. I will create for Android. I'll create for iOS. How come, man? the development cost, the timing, everything is huge. To overcome this one, they come up with the major terminologies and technologies that is called as hybrid apps. So I got an Android phone. Create the code for Android, build it, test it, deploy it. Okay, so create for iPhone, create the code, test it. If it is good, build it and deploy it. That is called as native apps. For each phone, for each environment, I need to create a specific program that is called native apps. Sir, I'm really vexed. Can I go with some other thing? So I got an hybrid apps where I can write the code, test it, build it. Hey, it was Android, build for Android, put it. Build for iOS, put it. Write one code, execute somewhere. That is called as hybrid technology. Write one code and deploy in that one. That is called native apps. That's how the difference is. This is how your hybrid apps and native apps are. Okay, now the technologies are moving towards hybrid apps and Ionic platform, which our company Cashew Infotech is specialized in. We are specialized. So in Ionic apps, we are able to create hybrid apps. And I'm going to show you the Flutter programming, which is in hybrid apps, which will work in Android and also in iOS. Now, so I'll talk about like how this Android works, Android code works. To talk about Android code, here is the concepts. The concept is like, say I got my Android manifest, the necessary things for building an Android application. Where is the text box? Where is the button, everything, and resource XML? Everything I built as a Java source. I got these classes, I got the libraries, and these contents are compiled using Java compiler, and you will be getting a DEX file. And this will execute in a virtual environment called Dalvik virtual machine. So if it is a Java programming, it will be converted into bytecode. Your Java compiler convert a bytecode which will execute in Java environment. It will create a Java virtual machine to execute in Java. Whereas in Android, the same concept, it is called DEX file. It is a kind of a similar bytecode concept and it will execute in the Dalvik virtual machine. Okay, this is how the code executes. Hey, I wrote an Android app, compile it, take all the libraries, resource files, everything, take it, compile it, make it as a DEX file and execute in the environment that is called Dalvik virtual machine. Okay, so if you love this programs and if you like this videos and everything, so just subscribe to our channel and click that bell button and click that all symbol, because every week 3 videos we are going to release in this channel. If you love it, please spread the information to your friends also. Okay, before going ahead, my company Cashew Infotech, our company, we are providing internships, in-plan training, we are guiding projects, and we are conducting live courses. We got our ethical hacking sessions, Python, machine learning, and data science, cloud computing, and IoT. I'm a specialist in electronics, robot, and embedded systems, and we got aero designs and 3D designings. Apart from the big data, web design, these list I've listed very little things. We got enormous of almost 183 technology. I'm a specialist in 183 technology. Treat me as a brother. Whatever help you want, you can contact me. I'm ready to help you. And we got 3D animated classes on your timing preferences. We are giving the training. Okay, now let's talk about the history of Android version. We talk about the history, the Android versions start with the 2001. Okay, and technically they call it as API, application program interface level. We talk about so for human general people, hey, I got Gingerbread of a version in my mobile, I got Maxmellow in my mobile, I got ice cream sandwich. It's a very simple term for the general public people, and for the technical people like us, we got the naming as API levels. Android got a lot of versions. In 2001, it's version 2.3 with the Gingerbread and API level in. And in 2011, we got the version 4.0 with the ice cream sandwich. It's API level 15. You may ask me, sir, 10 to 15, 11, 12, 13? That is an intermediate version which is of no usage, a lot of bugs. From there, you got your Jelly Bean at API level 18. It's a version 4.3. It happens in 2013. And in 2013, late version, like you got 4.4 version, which they named it as KitKat. Because they optimize the fast and everything. Performs damn good with KitKat. In 2014, we got version 5.1. 5.0, lot of bug. 5.1 is a stable version, Lollipop. And it's API level 22.
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
And afterwards, we got a Marshmallow in 2015. They termed it as the version 6.0 with API level 23. From there, like you got the next version you got in 2016. Okay, what could be the name? So in Marshmallow version, they are supporting a lot of XML concepts, and the UI got a lot of changes happen. And we got Nougat in 2016, and the version is 7.1, and it is called API level 25. Okay, from there the next version starts. So like these versions got a name, but recent versions doesn't have a name. In turn, they got as numbers. Instead of a name, they termed it as numbers. Okay, in 2017, you got version 8.1. The name is called, the friendly name is called Oreo, and the API level 27. From there, like we got major changes happened with the 2018, and your 2000 version is a 9.0, and 9.0 is a starting point, and there are lots of upgradation happen with the version 9.0. It's 2018. The name is called a Pi. It's API level 28. These are the versions with lots and lots of changes, upgradations, performance optimization. Everything is done in Android. From there, your 2019, it goes with the version 10. The name is Android 10. It's made it more simplified with the API level 29. And what is the version in 2020, man? That is version 11. Simple, they made us Android 11 with the API level 30. So these are the histories of Android. So this is how the versions moved on. Now let's talk about the Android architecture. Android architecture flows. See, actually, like I got my mobile. This mobile got like a touch screen, so it should have a camera, a flash, everything is there. For that, like interacting with the hardware, you need some libraries. So display driver. So whatever things I'm seeing it, I got a camera, accessing my camera. For the camera driver, you got a flash memory driver. I got an external like a external card or something like that. You got a binder driver, like internal protocol control drivers. You got a keeper. I touch it, accessing it. Wi-Fi driver, audio. I can increase something like that. I can off it. Power management. Everything interacting with the hardware. You need some kernel libraries. They are given in the bottom. On top of it, I want to store, sir. I need SQLite. I want a secure layer, sir. I got my SSL. I got a graphics library. I got a SGL. I want a 3D animations. I want OpenGL. I want a font changes, sir. I want a template or something like that. Yeah, custom theme. Your free type comes in the picture. I want to hear some songs, view some videos, media framework. You got your Surface support, Surface Manager. Everything is libraries which is interacting with your kernel libraries. These are called as intermediate libraries, and they will use these libraries and execute everything in the Android runtime ART. That is a reset name of Dalvik virtual machine, ART. On top of it, you got your application frameworks. Sir, I want to like check out is there anything like I want a birthday calendar, 8 o'clock alarm, activity manager. I got a window manager. Hey, I want to close this options, man. I want to close some of the window manager. I want to open my file manager, something like content framework. I want to see my system types and everything. What is system? View systems. I want to install a package. Sorry. A package manager. I got like what are the contacts, telephony manager. I got the resource managers, like how much your resources use or something like that. I got a GPS device for location manager. I got a notification. Hey, I'm getting new mails. I got a WhatsApp message notification. These are all custom, which I can configure. I can access, I can configure. That is called application framework. On top of it, you got the application WhatsApp, Gmail, everything. So using WhatsApp, you are getting the indications and everything using these libraries, executing the runtime run, which get executed the Linux kernels, and your mobiles are ready. This is how your Android architecture are. Okay, now you got an idea like how it works, right? Okay, see, considering I got my contacts. The contacts. So I want to contact my friend like a Khrushchev or something like that. Contacts. In that case, it will go to your content providers. The contacts go to the content providers, and you got the window manager to see it, and you are able to see how many contacts are there using view systems or something like that. And it can have telephony managers to store its alternative details. From there, you got the free type to get the fonts and everything, and you got a SQLite to store this information. So check out everything in this Dalvik Android runtime. Go here and you got fetch all the informations. Display driver will display it. What are things you typed to get the name and everything, keeper driver will take care of things. Everything is ready. And you can have flash memory driver where your data is stored. This is how the concepts are. Now let's talk about the Android architecture further. Now we are going to talk about these architecture further. See, I got an application. The application, they will use this Android framework, the code and everything, and they will utilize the libraries, Android framework and the libraries, and they will execute in the Android runtime, and they will interact with the hardware abstraction language to talk the Linux kernels and everything, and they will talk to the Linux kernels. This is how the architecture of Android. And here is my Insta account. Like if you want to contact me for any guidance, any help, yes, treat me as a brother, you can contact me. Click the follow button, and here is the contact numbers and everything. You can contact me anytime. And our company Kashav Infotech and WikiTechie, we are conducting 3D animated courses, the 90% offer cost. Anyone is interested, you can contact me at any time. And here is my courses: ethical hacking, Python, machine learning, Java, Android, web designing, cloud computing, and other stuff. We got DevOps training, and apart from that, you got IoT, robotics, big data, embedded. Apart from that, mechanical. These are some of the normal and like 3D animated courses which I'm conducting now in online. So if you're interested, you can contact me. Like the training languages are in English and also in Tamil, and it's a 3D animation based 100% practical stuff I'm teaching you. And the program days are almost like 10 days and 20 days programs a day. And here is the registration link. Yes. And recently we launched like a 4 bundle package: hacking, Python, machine learning, data science as a combined package with the cheaper cost, almost 90% offer cost I'm giving. If anyone is interested, you can contact us. Here is the registration links and everything is given. And if you're looking for any career guidance, any technical support, job guidance, I'm there. So you can contact me for anything. I'm ready to help you and guide you. Apart from that, we are preparing softwares with lowest cost. If you want a website creation or something like that at a very lowest cost, you can contact us anytime. We are ready to help you. And now let's move on to the a coding world of Android development. Are you ready? Okay, so here is the concept. The first thing is like the coding is classified into 3 types. One is like import the libraries, call a main function. So in this main function, like call the app which you created, and execute the app. So these are the 3 things available: importing the library, having a main function calling an app. The app is here, and you can create your widget and material apps and everything you can specify there. Okay, that is how you are able to create a mobile app. Now mobile app is ready. This is your my app. You got your widget with the container. Okay, so that's a container where you'll have your text box, button, everything. Okay, so instead of the container we can have material app also. You may ask me a question, why we need this material app? Material apps will provide you like a greater animation. Okay, so let's move on like how the programming is done. So Android is very simple programming where, and I'm using Android Studio, which is damn good and friendly. The reason is like the total code is written by the Android Studio itself. 60% code is written by them and 40% by us. Good deal, right? So here is importing the library. You got your void main function. You got the run app, which is running my app, and you got the my app. You got the widget here. And if you talk about how it executes, now let's see like how it executes. Now, first thing, it will read the libraries. What are the libraries we want? And it will move on to the main function. From the main function, I got the run app. Which app I want to run? The name of the app is my app. You can have any name, my app. And I'm going to the declaration of my app. It got a widget. The widget got a container and it is written back. Okay, so it is written back. So from void main, it will come to my app, finish execution, go back to void main. Okay, this is how the code will get executed. The code will get executed. Okay, so a normal flow of code. Over here, this is importing your packages. This is your main function, and the widget is called a stateless widget. And this is your building the widget. You may ask me a question, what is stateless widget? You got two kinds of widgets available. One is stateless, the other one is stateful. Stateless in the sense it won't get changed. My company name is Kashiv Infotech, so my app name is Kashiv Infotech. It won't change, man. Forever my company is Kashiv Infotech only. Whereas stateful, it will change. Click it, it will change. So automatically these are the two different types of widgets available: stateless and stateful. We are creating an app with the stateless widget. Over here, like instead of this return container, I want to give is something a better option, that is material app. Obviously you are able to see it here. Your app got material, so your app got material app features. The reason for material app is like good animation can be created. So we can write the coding inside the material app so that it will have lots and lots of animation. That's the one I'm trying to show you. Your material app got your brackets. Inside those brackets, I'm going to type the code like I want a home page with the text Venkat's first stateless app. That is the text I want to create. Okay, if we open a Flutter or a kind of an Android application using Android Studio, you got a main.dart file. So since it is a Flutter application, you got a Dart file, a main.dart file. The main.dart file indicates the program can be written in a C kind of languages like void main. Okay, now we'll move on to like over here you are able to see the text here. The text is displayed here, and it is a material app text in the widget, and in this is your app, and this is how your code is. So importing the library, having a main function with the my app and everything, and the my app is a status widget which will create a widget with a material app and a text display. Okay, let's instead of talking lots and lots of theoretical part, let's move on to the coding functionalities, how it works. Now I got my Android Studio, so you are seeing an Android Studio window where I can show you like how the code is written. And here is a main.dart file. By default it got lots of code. Remove it. I'll show you like how the code is written. Import, or if you use single quotes, Flutter, if you type it you are able to see the libraries. I'll take the library, select it and put it material.dart, and void main function, a C programming function with the braces and everything. Very simple C programming function. Now I'm going to write the code run app of my app. Okay, so what a braces, right? uh, open close braces. I want to have a braces here. Okay, now I got my void main function is ready. As I told you, run app capital as A should be caps. As I told you before itself, I am going to create a stateless widget. So go there and type st. I got everything, man. Stateful, stateless. So select that, click that one. The code is written. The code is written by the Android Studio itself. Just copy paste my app, finish. Change the container as a material app now. So I want to make it as a material app. Okay, inside the brackets, I am going to create a text. What is the text I'm going to create? And this is your emulator, where you can type the code and see how your mobile works. If it works here, if the code works in this emulator, for sure it will work in the mobile. So previously what we have done is so we got a USB cable. Connect to the computer, put it in the mobile, check it. It's not working. Change the code, put it, not working. Change the code, put it. Wasting of time, man. I got the emulator there in the computer itself because my mobile got a lot of problem, man. So now I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so write the code, debug it, put it in the emulator, see how it works. Pakka working. Create an APK, put it here, it will work. So this is how you are able to use your emulator. So right side you are seeing an emulator, left side I'm writing the code. Okay, so the emulator is ready. I didn't finish the coding, or I'm trying all the alternatives. Sorry for that. Okay, let me fix it. Material app, homepage. So I want to create. So my void main calls the app. The app is calling my homepage. That is why that is how I tried all the alternatives. But as I told you previously in my coding part, right, I'm going to have home full colon text. I'm going to give the text. Okay, let me remove all the stuffs now. I'll comment all the stuffs. Yes, I'll change this one. Wait for a while. Yeah, I got you are able to see the title over there, title, and you got the text over there. Okay, you can have this one. It shows an error. So this is how your error will be displayed. Okay, you can see what is the error. It shows that the title is a problem. Okay, I want your home. So in this material app, I want the home page. In that home page, you have to give the text. Okay, let me change this one. Okay, so the intention of getting this particular piece of error is to show you how the errors are displayed. Home full colon text. I got the text. You are able to see the text here. This is how you can create an Android application. Yes, this project. Yes, so let me check it out whether you are able to change. It's getting changed there. You are able to see the changes over there, and regular updation automatically is called as hot reload. Okay, this is one of the fantastic options available in Android application. Okay, now hope you got an idea how this Android apps works. Most of the things the Android will take care of writing. No need to write. Okay, we have seen the stateless applications. Now we'll talk about this stateful application. What is stateful application? It can update itself, or we can change the things. That is called stateful application. So this is the one I'm trying to do it now. So I got my app with the widget, and it is written a material app. The material app got a text and a button. Okay, importing the library, I got the main function. Your my app got a stateful widget, creating a widget with the home column. I got the text box and a text and a button. Okay, this is your home page with a column, and you got the children widget here. That is the one I'm trying to do it. Import library. You got the main function, run app, my app. My app is a stateful widget, so it will create a state. A state will have it is returning a material app which will have a home, and it is displayed as a column, and it got a children. So here we have home, and it is displayed as it is returning a material app. It's a home with a column, and this is a children widget with a text box and a floating button. This is how the code executes. So the code moves to the main function. From there it will call the run up my app. From there it will go to the my app. My app got a state. It will go to the my state. and it will take the columns, take the children widget, having the like a text and the floating buttons and everything finished. From here, it will go back to the called person. From there, it will go back to the called person. This is how the program flows. Yes, this is how the program flows. Here is the called person's voice here. Yes. Okay, so like the basic functionality is like my stage is returning a material app. The material app, it got a home page. A home page got a column. A column, in this column we got a children widget. In the children widget I got a text box and the button. So my application is ready. Okay, let's see like how we are going to execute it. Like the coding is tough, right? Let's see whether it's tough or not. Okay, so I took the previous code from there, like import library void main, I keep it same. Now st full select it, the code is written. So it is very simple. It is very simple. The code is written. That's awesome, man. The code is written. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is like over here my app. So class, I need to put, so return material app. I'll change this one, material app. Yes, material app is ready. In between this one I need to create the widgets and everything, man. Now I'll have this my app copy it and paste it here. The first line error resolved. First line. Now I'm trying to reload this day. Yeah, reload this. I got some error because you are able to see some underline is there, right? Create state, I got an error, man. I need to fix that one. So the same my app I need to put it here. Okay, now I want to create the widget, right? So it should be home. Yeah, my app I need to put it here. Another error. Errors are fixed. Now relax. Now I need to create a home column children widget and the text box, and let's see like how it works. Okay, now I'm going to create the home now. So home, so the one which is getting down, like you are able to see some supporting, right? That is called as like intelligent sensing, like what you want. Based on that, it will do everything. So home column is there, widget, children widget, everything is typed, like it is taking care. And now I need the text and the, I don't want the title, man. I need the text and the like I need the button, the text and the button. Yes, the text. In the double quotes, I can give Venkat's a stateful project or something like that. Let me give it. I'm feeling too thirsty, man. Okay, I got the text, and now I'm going to give the button also. Like over here, I'm trying to give the button. So if you type BUT, you are able to see lots of buttons. Like I want to, like you see, you can see you got lots of buttons. I'll go with some floating buttons, floating action buttons, because I'm going to give an action to it. An action is called as events technically. So floating action button, and over here like we'll have a button. So in this button I want a child icon. Create a child inside icon. I need to give an icon. Okay, like I need an icon now. Yes, icon. Let me give the icon here. Yes, add icon. So you need a plus or something like that. You'll have an add icon. So now your design is ready. Now I'm trying to save it, and I'll try to load in the emulator. Try to save it. Load in the emulator. Venkat first stateful project. Whether it come plus symbol comes. I'm waiting for this Venkat first. So if it's not reflecting, try to put a debug option also to see whether it's getting reflected. Come on. Still it's not coming. Yes, it's working, man. Venkat's first stateful project is working in my emulator. That's awesome, man. Really good, right? Okay, so like this is how you are able to write the program. Can you believe almost 70 to 80% of this code is written by the Android Studio? Only 20% software engineers. They are paying salary to us. Android Studio is typing all the code and we are getting salary. Icons, I'm trying to change some other icon to see whether it is getting reflected. Looks good, man. It is getting reflected there. I'll try to change some other icon also. Looks good, man. So like if you love any other icons, you can put it, man. So you are able to say yes or not. Yes, it's changing. But since the icon is very small, you can't see it, but it's changing, it's getting changed. This is how your stateful programming is. Now we will talk about actions. I click it, sir. It's processing something, sir. That is called actions. For that, you need your click me. You can see the button. On clicking the button, you are able to see there is a change of value. Venkat's clicked well. So I need a click me method and call this click me method. In this click me method, change the stuffs. That is how your programming is. So in this program, I got my imports libraries. You got the main class. In that, I'm running an app, and this is the app created, and it is a stateful widget. Stateful widget is returning a material app, and this got your home column with the text box and button, and you got a call me method and a specific method which can be called from here. This is how your program works. Okay, over here I got a package with the main function, my app, and my app, you got the stateful widget. My app is extended as a state. You got a state over here created, and the state will have the variable value is equal to Venkat first project and a method click me. In this click me method, set state is there and the value is Venkat clicked val. You got the widgets, everything is ready. So I got the libraries. From there I got my main function. In this main function, I'm running an app. You got your my app, which is a stateful widget, and it is creating the state. And the state, you got the variable value, and you got the building the widget, which is returning a material app, which got the column. You got the text value and the action button, and on pressed event. On the on press event, click me method is called. Set state is happening from here. So from here it went here. From there it is going back to the called one where my app ends. From there it will go to the main function. So this is how your program works. So from there, if it calls, it will call back once again. It will return back to the original state. That's how your application works. Sir, yum should be caps? No, it's not mandatory. You can have any name that is a custom defined name. So I got my void click me method. Now I got the void click me method over here. I'm typing the code set state, and I'm going to have the value which I want to change it. So let me copy this one. I'll I'll place it here. Venkat's clicked value, that is a text I'm trying to give it. Okay, now what else? I need to give the method on pressed click me. So it should be written under the state. This for this code you need to written under the state functionality, and over here I put a single quotes and everything to make it more designing. Okay, click me method. So I need to call this click me method over here. So the method is on pressed. So I tried to give click me, nothing is coming. So let me check it out. Trying to give on pressed. Yeah, on pressed. If you give on, automatically you'll get it. Just put it there, and I need to call this method click me. Click me. Yes, the method is called. So I got the widget. On pressing it, call this method click me. Okay, so call this method click me, and the click me method will have the state to change the value. That is setting the state. I'm trying to reload it to see whether anything is reflecting there, and this reload is called as hot reload. Save it, automatically it will get reflected. I'm pressing this button, nothing is happening, man. What could be the reason? Any idea? Let me debug and let me deploy it once again to see if anything is changing, but nothing is changing. Any idea? Very simple. Over here text, I got Venkat's first stateful project. I gave the text. No, I don't want the text. A variable I need to declare, because on clicking this button, change the variable value. That is the one I missed it out here. Okay, now I will change it. The text should be the value variable to be displayed. The text should be value variable. So, but still it shows an error. You can see underscore because it is a string. So it should be placed in the double quotes. I need to put a double quotes there. and put a double quotes there. The dollar symbol, value, double quotes. That's it. So it looks good, man. Whether it will work or not, I'm a bit confused. Let's see. So I'm trying to read out. Venkat's it is working, but still, I'm not getting a proper thing, man. Without clicking, it's coming. Like, let me deploy it once again. Come on. Whether it will work or not. Come on. Whether it will work or not. Okay, Venkat first stateful project should be displayed, man. But it's not coming, man. Okay. That's it. It's working fine, man. So this is how we are able to create your stateful project. Once I'm telling you, programming is simple, Android is very simple, creating mobile application is very simple. Very simple. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my session. Like, we got lots of trainings for you, Android courses, internship projects via online and like offline training. Check my website, and here is my contact numbers, and here's my WhatsApp numbers. Apart from that, if you're looking for Android course, here is the link. No sir, I want Android internship. Here is the link. You just contact us. We are ready to help you. And apart from that, like we got online internships via kashu.com and offline internships at my Chennai office. And you got my contact number and WhatsApp number. I request you people to share these videos to your friends and everyone. By my own, I have written my complete Android tutorial in this link. wikidata.com/tutorial/Android. You can go and check my Android tutorials and learn as much as you can. I've used Android Studio with Java, and the training which I gave now is Flutter programming. I request you people to share this video to your friends, and let's change the society. I'm giving courses with a 90% offer cost, and here's the cost of the trainings. If you're interested, contact me. I'm ready to help you. Treat me as a brother. This is Venkat signing out from Wikitech and Kashu Infotech. Thank you.